Use Google reCAPTCHA on form blocks, newsletter blocks, promotional pop-ups, and product waitlists as invisible security features that helps prevent submission forms from bots. To enable reCAPTCHA, edit the page containing the form block, and then edit the form block. Navigate to Storage and turn Google reCAPTCHA on. With newsletter blocks, Google reCAPTCHA is enabled by default. To add Google reCAPTCHA to newsletter blocks where it has been disabled, edit the newsletter block, then select Storage and Squarespace. Make sure to connect, and then turn Google reCAPTCHA on. Keep in mind, Google reCAPTCHA isn't supported for newsletter blocks without Squarespace connected for storage. For promotional pop-ups, go to your promotional pop-up panel and hit Action. Then select Sign up for newsletter and verification in order to turn on reCAPTCHA. And for product waitlist, Google reCAPTCHA is automatically enabled. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.